Hey again. In our previous video, we were demonstrating how to use forms, the responses form type for data collection, which is a very nice integration that sends questions sequentially for clients. And it seems very natural just collecting the data. With that, we've also built this CRM forwarding option, which is just a webhook. So sending the form event once completed with the entire data as the payload or the message, right? So we have put together this boilerplate code that you can grab. It's just a starting point, so it's pretty basic, but it does the job. So all you need to do is store the static token as a property in your project, and also the Google Spreadsheet ID. You can find it in the URL here, but we'll see if we can come up with just a separate video on how to set this up. And for now, it's just a demonstration on how this works. So that can be just copy paste, get those, and we'll see how this works. So send in a message. Of course, this is already started, but it hasn't been handed off. So we can actually see this in action here. And we see, hey, and right, so that's working. Now we're going to go to the form right away. So we can see the sequence and how this is collecting data. So it is going to present that. Please share a few details with us. Help us to help us assist you, and that's something you can customize. Of course, we show that in our previous video, but I'm just going to show this here again so you can see it. So yeah, this is the message. You can customize it. All right, going back to the demo. We are going to collect a name. So John. And this is just going to ask for the email, as we can see here in the form. So it's going to ask for the email. And let's say john@email.com. Next question should be this following options, all, of course, I can say all four. And then just the last one. So please help. Please help. That's it. And we can see the data has been submitted, processed, and stored in Google Sheets. This can also be integrated with other platforms like N8N or even CRMs that provide a webhook. So it's an easy way of collecting data separately in case somebody is looking at an entire conversation. Of course, we do have a summary of the data collection in Chatwoot, but it's really nice to have this separately. So sometimes you're not going to have the ability to share this conversation from Chatwoot. You might just want to have this for reference or for some other processing, data processing that you want. This is showing the conversation ID, so you can go back to Chatwoot and see that the conversation ID is right there. Or if you just expand the contact info, then that should display what the conversation ID is. So really powerful. We hope this helps many of you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact us.